This is it, my perfect tomato.
You will win the golden trophy this year.
I need to give you more water right now. Day 42. The tomato is huge. No one can beat me this time. Wait, what is that smell? It smells like sweet strawberries and old socks.
Finally. No more computer screens today. My brain is completely broken from work. Hi, Alex. Are you still working on that plant?
Oh! Sophie! Yes, but it is a secret project.
I do not care about secrets. I just want quiet. It smells very strange. It comes from over there.
Whoops! Sorry.
Daniel! Please be careful near my tomatoes.
I am trying to help, Alex. I brought the labels.
Take it easy, Daniel. We have time. What is this old box?
Do not touch things! You will break my garden! Listen to me, Daniel. This garden must win.
Yes, Alex. I want to help you win the big trophy.
Mr. Green always wins. His carrots are too perfect.
Winning is not everything, Alex. This place is for relaxing.
No. I need to be the best at something.
Ugh. That sweet smell is getting much stronger.
It smells like candy. I like it.
This is getting very strange.
There is no name on this packet. What is inside?
What did you find, Daniel?
Listen, it sounds like tiny rocks inside.
Wait. Look at the corner of the paper. This smells exactly like that weird bush behind Alex's plot.
Maybe they are magic beans.
Daniel. Sophie. Stop playing with that. We need to work. Stop looking at trash.
I am sorry, Alex. I am ready to label the plants now.
What is happening inside that bush?
Oh no. The labels are all mixed up. If Alex sees this, he will be so angry with me. I will just guess. This looks fine.
Wow, what is that amazing smell in the air?
It is nothing, Maya. Just normal garden smells.
Then why is the dirt glowing a little bit?
Uh-oh. This was not here yesterday.
Do not take photos of that, Maya. It is a distraction.
Look at the screen. The powder looks like stars.
Where is my favorite silver trowel? Alex, did you borrow my garden tools again?
No, I am busy here. Check under the bench.
This is not an accident. Someone put them like this.
I think something is living in this garden.
Stop talking like that. You are scaring me. Shh. Do you hear that scratching sound?
Yes. It sounds like a giant mouse eating paper.
Move out of the way, boys. Let me look inside. Oh my goodness. Look at the floor.
Alex, look at your giant tomato right now.
What? What? What did you do to my plant, Daniel?
Nothing. I just put the white plastic label in the dirt.
This is beautiful. It is like a glowing crystal.
It is not beautiful. The competition judges will disqualify me.
Calm down, Alex. We can fix this together.
Look at this footprint. It only has 3 toes.
And look at the size. It is smaller than a cat's foot.
Great! A 3-toed monster is going to eat my prize tomato.
The strawberry smell is coming directly from this mud.
Wait, what is that blue thing? This is my garden plot, Mr. Green. Why are you watching us?
Because 50 years ago, the same purple light destroyed my father's farm.
It destroyed a whole farm?
It attracts something hungry from the deep woods.
How do we stop it, Mr. Green?
We have to find that creature right now. We must build a strong trap before it gets dark.
Are you sure this plastic box can hold a monster, Alex?
It is not a monster, Daniel. It is just a small animal.
Animals love sweet fruit. This bait is perfect. Perfect.
Hurry up, guys! The air feels very strange now.
Sophie. Look at this photo. It was watching us.
Those eyes. They do not look angry. They look hungry.
Maybe it wants my snacks.
Oh, wow. The smell is so strong now. It burns my nose.
Come back to the tomato plant. The trap is ready. When I say count to 3, we drop the net, Daniel.
Wait, do we drop it on 3 or after 3?
1, 2, 3. Drop it. Daniel. I am inside the trap. Help me.
I am so sorry, Alex. The rope attacked me.
Look at the leaves. They are turning purple too.
Alex, this is getting dangerous. Mr. Green was right.
The scratching sound is coming from everywhere now.
It is too hot. Something is happening.
Come out, little friend. I will not hurt you. I saw you. You have blue fur. Are you hungry? I have some sweet seeds for you. Oh, you are beautiful. You are not a monster at all.
Step away from the beast.
Stop. You are scaring him. He is just a baby.
Look. It is heading back to my vegetable plot.
My legs hurt. Why does the monster run so fast?
Do not shout when we arrive. Remember, it is only a baby.
No! My perfect tomato. It is eating my golden trophy.
Alex, look at those flowers. Those are the seeds I dropped by accident.
You planted wild flowers in my competition patch?
The creature loves the purple star powder. It is not destroying the garden, Alex. It is changing it.
Alex, look at his face. Is a silver trophy more important than this little life?
I just wanted to be the best at something.
You are already the best friend, Alex. You do not need a trophy to prove that.
Here you go, little friend. Eat these instead.
Oh my goodness. Har. Look at the now. Look at the garden. Oh my goodness. Ah. Look at the garden.
Let me see this strange plant, Alex.
Good morning, Mr. Green. Welcome to our community plot.
This is incredible. The purple star flowers. They are back, but they are not destroying anything.
We grew them together, Mr. Green. It was a team effort.
Alex, You are disqualified from the biggest tomato category.
That is okay, Mr. Green. I am happy anyway.
But you win the first prize for the most beautiful community plot.
We won. We won. We actually won.
Thank you, little friend.